Okay guys, we're back. Got a cab high fiberglass top here. Fits a 99-07 Ford Super Duty F250, 350, 450 with the 8-foot bed. Has a Windoor on the side, cargo door on the side. This one's been painted dark green. It was originally a burgundy color. I think it was JL. Red was the original color. But it's been painted green since then. Paint job leaves a lot to be desired. It was painted by hand by somebody. It looks like a rattle can, be my guess. But it is all one color. It is green. It does have quite a few paint issues, but it would be a good base for camouflage if somebody wanted to camo this thing or just paint it a different color. Has nicks and scratches pretty much all over the place. The edge of the fiberglass is actually in pretty good shape. It's not damaged at all, but there is just like paint scratches all over it. You can see there. Sometimes people overestimate their painting skills. This has a Windoor on the side. Turn the T-handle here, and here it opens up. Allows you to reach in and access the truck bed, put your tools in there, sporting goods, whatever it is you have in there. Door closes, locks, secures. This does have covers over it to keep the weather out of the locks, but there is locks underneath there to access to lock the T-handles up. Like you said, there is scratches in the paint pretty much all over this thing. Has a picture window in the front. There's a lot of rattle can streaks on the top. Has some paint issues, scratches through there, down in there. I have some down along here. Like I said, the bottom edge is actually in good shape. It doesn't have any chunks missing out of the fiberglass. So it'll be a good base to paint to match. This side has a third sliding window. This window slides forward. It does have the double T-handle locking rear door. Inside has a couple small holes in the screens. Right there, right there, right there, over there. It'll keep the big bugs out. Serial number there, that is actually is a Century unit. It's an older Century, but bare fiberglass inside. So there it is, cab high fiberglass Century top. Fits the 99-07 Ford Super Duties with the 8-foot bed. Dark green in color. As with all our tops, we do not ship these. They're local pickup only. You'll need to make arrangements to get them picked up at one of our locations. Below is a link to this unit on our website so that you can see which location it's at, how much we're asking for it. If you'd like to purchase it online, you can do that there. You can also call and arrange for payment that way. There's also a link to our website in general below. If you're looking for cap repair parts, brake lights, T-handles, bed storage solutions, foam sealant tape, stuff like that, that's all available online for purchase. Thanks for watching.